Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Itel extension box. So let's get straight into it. So this extension box from Itel is a very heavy duty extension box. It does a very good job in. So this is the precautions and the instructions manual on the back of it from Jumia. Fortunately, as I got the product from Jumia, this is how I got it. It doesn't need any packaging, just like this. So I got my scissors. We're gonna go straight into the cutting down of this product. So let's cut it and see how it is. This Jumia product costs not a little or not much as well. It's a very cheap product and it can be used professionally. So if you unboxed it, this is how it looks like in the box. Jumia Itel extension box with 3 plugs and the power button with the plug itself. The plug is right here. So you just go straight to the wall outlet, 250 volts, 10 amps. So this is how the cable looks like. I'm going to show you the length of this extension box with the cable as well. So right here I'm going to unpack it from the casing. I'm going to expand the wires itself, the cables that connect to the wall, and see how it looks like. Right here you can see how long it is, but I'm going to show you how it is in the second. The length of it on the floor, as you can see right here, the extension box is now on the floor. So I'm going to show you how long it is right now. You can see the length. Is it preferable? Would you like this as your daily extension box for your accessories, your gadgets to charge? Let me know in the comment section. So right here guys, I'm going to plug it in and see how it is. Well, is it going to stay? Nope, it fell down. So you have to unplug all your adapters itself and plug it straight to the power socket exactly. Don't let any adapter should be there. Just plug it straight to the power socket and you power it straight from there. That's how it goes and it stays firmly.